Where's the baby doll? Oh, you still have her. Oh, you're sitting with her so nice. Ah. You gonna give her another kiss? Oh, you're squishing her now, Emberlyn. You're squishing the baby doll. Where's her foot?
Oh.
Where is baby doll's foot?
Yeah.
Very good. Where's Emberlyn's foot? Very good. What a cute little foot. There's your other one. There's your other foot. And there's your other foot. There's baby doll's foot. There's baby doll's foot. Right there. Baby doll's foot. Yep. Foot. Foot. And that's Emberlyn's foot. Emberlyn's foot. Tickle, 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 tickle. You want that one too? Tickle, 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 tickle. Baby doll's foot. Oh, you kissed it. What a good mommy. You gonna kiss baby doll's face? You want me to kiss it? Oh, you want to kiss it? That's baby doll's hand. Where's Emberlyn's hand? That's her baby doll's foot. Foot. Are you trying to rock the baby doll? You sure are bouncing. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Are you stuck? You fell down. I see your foot. Oh, there it is. There it is. Should we tickle it again? Tickle, 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 tickle. There's your foot. And your chubby little legs. There's baby doll's foot again.